Good here with me here. Hello, Amanda.
Hi, Jared. How are you?
I'm good. How are you today?
Doing pretty good.
There's no sun. It's rainy, but that's
No,
okay.
it's rain.
That's okay. Where are we at today?
We are at 113 Fireside Place in Cochrane. So a nice
Awesome.
up and coming community here.
That's great. Well, if you jump on, if you're watching, or even if you're watching a replay, comment, say hi, tell us where you're watching from. Any questions you have, we'll be able to see them in the thread here as well. But why don't you give us a tour of this fireside property?
For sure. I'm just gonna put my phone on.
Oh, you are
So
hardcore in the rain.
we are. So outside of the home, nice street view here.
Yeah.
So this is a bi-level home built in 2011.
Okay.
Above grade, there's total of 1,099 square feet, and below is 842. There's
Awesome.
two bedrooms
And
up
what's
and
the
two.
price on this one?
This one's listed for 840 or 384,999.
384.9. Okay, perfect. I just put a link in the comments there for anyone watching that will take you right to the listing, so you can check it out there as well.
Perfect. So here's just a street view for you guys. You'll probably hear some kids playing in the background over there.
Awesome.
So a nice big entryway, lots of space.
So this is a bi-level, so you got the stairs going up and down, but then it's just the single level on the upper part, right?
Yes, correct.
Cool.
I'm just going to take you upstairs first.
And so it looks like they have hardwood floors.
Vinyl plank flooring.
Oh, vinyl plank. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Which is great.
So as we go to the top of the stairs, you see your dining room, a nice kitchen, lots of counter space and cabinet. Into a nice living space with fireplace. And then around to the back door, out onto a nice deck. Do you want me to take you outside in the back?
Yeah, maybe just a quick peek out there. So it looks like they're kind of, was it one house in on this street? So they have one neighbor on that side?
Yeah, the second house in.
Okay, cool.
So there's a nice double detached garage.
Oh, yeah. That's great.
Some good yard space. And the backyard is south facing, so you get lots of sun.
Okay, perfect. And so then those windows on the fireplace do look out to the yard there,
They do, yeah.
which is great if you have kids or whatever, just to spy on them.
Keep an eye on them while they're out there playing.
Yeah, perfect.
Taking you back in.
So is that piano included in the house?
It could be if you want to try to write it in.
No, I'm sure it's not.
And so this is the second bedroom on the main floor. So just a small bedroom, or you could use it as an office, which they are
Okay.
using it for.
So it's 2 bedrooms up total.
2 bedrooms up, 2
Correct.
bedrooms down.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we have the bathroom.
Okay, cool. And then I noticed that they're using some of the storage in there for pantry and that kind of thing.
They are, yeah.
Yeah, which is great.
Some more space in here.
Okay, so
Flip it
another
around.
closet. Cool. No, it's great. And then the master's on the front.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Master's north facing, front of the house.
Which is great for the 3 days of hot summer in the city.
Exactly. So your walk-in closet, and then master ensuite.
Okay, so a 4-piece. Perfect. Well, that's great. So whereabouts would you say this house is located? So it's in Fireside, you said. Is it kind of tucked away, or is it easy to get to?
Easy access. They're not too far in at all, so all the amenities are close by. There's
Okay.
lots of little shops, a couple restaurants. The new school is here, and they also have about 4 kilometers of walking paths through the community, which is really nice for
Oh, great.
families.
And they're
So
able to get to it fairly easily from their place.
Yeah.
Cool.
Now we're just going down into the basement. So we're open to nice living space.
And is this also the vinyl planking, or is this laminate?
This is vinyl planking down here and laminate upstairs.
Oh, the opposite. Okay, so laminate upstairs and vinyl downstairs.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So here's the bathroom downstairs.
Okay.
And then we go into the first bedroom. These bedrooms are a really good size with big windows, and then
huge windows.
A huge walk-in closet.
Yeah. So then looks like this family anyways, looks like has 2 kids, and their kids are actually downstairs.
Yeah, kids are downstairs here.
Okay.
Which works out really well for them.
Yeah, everyone's kind of different. I know families would not do that, and I know families that do it, so it just works.
And then laundry is in the basement, so there's a laundry room there.
Cool. And are those washer and dryer staying then?
They are hoping to take them with them.
Okay, so they're keeping those because they look nice.
They do look very nice. And this is the second bedroom.
Okay, cool.
Again, a very large bedroom down here with nice big bright window and a good sized closet.
Fantastic. And that's a very large room.
Very large. So they have 2 bunk beds in here, and then still quite a bit of space.
Yeah, that's impressive. Very cool. Okay, perfect. And then the only thing, it'd be hard to see it today, but the garage itself. The garage is, you said, a double garage. Is it oversized or just kind of like a roughly 20 by 20 type size garage, 21 or so like that?
Yeah, average.
Okay, so typical double garage. Cool.
Yeah. Do you want me to put my shoes on and take you out there quick?
I mean, we can if you got time. What if it works quickly? Yeah, for sure. And for those that are watching, you can watch the replay of this as well as all the other virtual open homes that we have done as well. I just put a link in the comments there. So we have, I think like 90% of all the virtual open houses we've done or virtual tours we've done for our listings on this page. So feel free to jump over there and take a look at that as well. And then that fireplace, well, just before you leave, that is a gas. Is that correct?
It is, yeah.
Perfect. I mean, it looks so cozy.
Oh, it's so cozy in here on the rainy day.
Yeah, it's perfect. It's wonderful.
Just gonna take you outside quick.
Sure. So then, so it's a rear alley with a double garage. Is it fully fenced all the way around too?
It is, yeah.
Okay, so everything's enclosed, which is great. Lots of storage. Oh, okay. Yeah, large garage.
There we go.
Perfect.
Lots of space in there.
Yeah, no, that's great. That's perfect. Cool. Well, is there anything, I'll let you kind of walk back in out of the rain, but is there anything that you wanted to add? Any thoughts about this house? Anything like that at all?
This home is meticulously cared for. You can see the pride in ownership as soon as you walk in the door. Great family home, great community. As mentioned before, lots of stuff close by, easy access into Calgary, and also easy access to the mountains. So if you enjoy the outdoors, be a good spot.
Yeah, absolutely. And what would you say, like, how long would it take you, if someone's wondering this, I don't know if they are or not, but to get into Calgary, if they worked in Calgary or when that happens, when they can go back to work, or how long does it take you to get into Calgary from this property approximately?
It took, for me driving out here today with a little bit of traffic due to construction, it took me about 25 minutes, just over 25 minutes.
Okay, so it's not bad at all. No, it's perfect. No. Very cool. Well, thank you, Amanda. You did excellent on your first virtual open house.
Thank you.
And what is the best way for people to get a hold of you? I think I've put your email in the comments already, or in the caption, but what's your phone number there?
You can reach me at 403-462-5252.
5252. 462-5252. Perfect. It is now in the comments. So if you have questions about this house, if you have questions about Cochrane or anything like that in general, feel free to reach out to Amanda. She's going to be able to help you and get you into this place if you want to do a virtual showing, something like that, or if you want to see it in person, reach out, let her know, and we'll go from there. So have a wonderful rest of your day, Amanda, and thank you everybody for watching. Any comments, questions, reach out. We'll chat soon.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, see ya.